Welcome to XIOHOO TV. This video is best viewed on your phone. In this video, we will be learning how to use speed tool in our TikTok videos. Have you ever wondered how people create a video where the video speed is faster or slower than usual? We can use the speed tool for that. Now, let's start. Locate and tap on the TikTok application. Tap on Profile and ensure you are logged in into your account. Tap on the plus icon located at the bottom of the screen to create a TikTok video. There is 15 seconds, 60 seconds and 3 minutes. Tap on the duration you like. Tap Speed on the top right. There is 0.3 times slower, 0.5 times slower, 1 times which is normal speed, 2 times faster, and 3 times faster. Tap on the speed you like. Tap the pink circle here to start recording the video. Tap the pink icon to pause at any point of the recording and you can adjust to another speed to record. Tap the tick icon to finish recording the video. Our video is now ready. We have applied 3 different speeds for our video. This is the 0.3 times slower speed, normal speed, and 3 times faster speed. Thank you for watching. Click on our playlist to watch more videos. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel for more videos.